We're going to talk about the triangle inequality theorem for the fellows taking the ASVAB. Good luck to you on that. This actually comes out of Geometry 6.5, and it's completely out of order, but I'm trying to help him out. The triangle inequality theorem is what he asked about, and it is something that you will learn later. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So you got a triangle here, doesn't matter what the sides are, but if you take these two legs and add them together, it's going to be bigger than this one. Or if you take these two legs together, it'll be bigger than this one. Or if you take these two legs and add them together, it's going to be bigger than that one. So a question might say, could a triangle have sides of 6, 7, and 15? Well, what you can do is just check the two smallest ones, add them, and see if they're bigger than 15. Is 6 plus 7 bigger than 13? Bigger than 15, and no, it's not. 6 plus 7 is 13, and 13 is not bigger than 15, so this could not be a triangle. Well, could I have 6 plus 7 and a 12? Could I have a 6 centimeter, a 7 centimeter, and a 12? Yes, 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 is bigger than 12, so this one would be a triangle, yes, but this one would not be a triangle. Now, I want to illustrate it. Normally, I do this with straws. We don't have any straws, so I want you to look at these centimeter line segments. If I were to touch them on the end and try to make the 6, 7, 15, no matter how I slide these together, there's going to be a gap, and it's just simply not going to work. So 6, 7, 15 would make a gap. But if I change the 15 to a 12, 6 plus 7 is 13, and 13 is bigger than 12, I could literally make this triangle reach just by touching the ends of it. Kind of hard to get it like this with this piece of paper, but that would work. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 is bigger than 12. All right, one more thing to consider is if you have a triangle with sides 14 and 9, describe the possible lengths of the third side. So what we're looking for is the smallest amount that it can be and the largest amount that it could be. And what you can do to get this is say the two numbers and subtract them. The big number minus the little number. 14 minus 9 would be 5. So it means it's got to be bigger than 5. It's got to be bigger than 5. And if you add them, you can find the number that it's got to be less than. So 14 plus 9 is 23. So it's got to be between 5 and 23. So it's normally written like this. X, put the X, 5 on the left side, 23 on the right side. Use the less thans. And it can't be 5 and it can't be 23, but it could be any numbers between 5 and 23, like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way up to 22 could be those possible side lengths for the third side. So subtract and add to get the numbers that it will be between.